Hey there everyone, welcome back to Educate E-commerce. I'm Shad and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to discuss about frequently bought together, which is an application on your Shopify app store. Let me simply explain what frequently bought together application delivers you. On most of the online store, we could see that when we select a product below, we get a recommendation on what all products you can purchase on your particular need. Here you can see that I have selected a cycle and it itself recommended 2 products based on this particular niche. Exactly. That is what frequently bought together will help you achieve. This option is live on Amazon and there are several e-commerce platforms use this function and work for them. So now let's check how to install frequently bought together to your Shopify store and get more sales. But before that, this video is sponsored by AppMaker, a seamless Shopify application that helps you create native Android and iOS applications for your Shopify store. Thanks to AppMaker for sponsoring this video. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel and search for apps. Click on all recommended apps and Shopify App Store. Search for frequently bought together and click on this application. This is our master tool. On below, you'll get product description, product features, pricing, and the reviews that got for this product. You can see that there is 2000 plus reviews and they get 4.9 review rate. Here itself, you can understand the power of this tool. Now let's install. Click on install button. Yes, it's the same process that we do for every application while installing. Click on next. We can see a small introduction about this product and the recommendation, how them works. You can give 1 recommendation, 2 or 3 recommendations as of your needs. Click on next. Below add to cart button, below the description in the right column, below the product, taking the full width at the bottom of the page. Select a position as of your requirement and click on next. And you can see a message, congratulations, the initial setup has completed. Click on start with the app enabled and loading completed. We have successfully installed frequently bought together to our Shopify store. And on the top right side, you can either enable or disable frequently bought together. And here are several options like recommendation explorer. When we click on this, you can select a product to see how recommendation works. When I select a product, it recommends similar products based on the particular product. Here is manual recommendation, automatic recommendation, global recommendation, and so on. Let's get deep into this later. And here is recommendation tuning. Click on that. And here you can see how the standard and exclusive manual bundles work. And below you can see types of recommendations, automatic, global, and random recommendations. On the automatic recommendations, frequently bought together itself recommend products on the basis of previous sales data and other factors. On the global recommendations, a particular product would be shown as a recommendation on all products. Here you can see that one product is selected. You can delete or add products on the basis of your needs. And random recommendations, the products will be randomly recommended. And here you can choose number of recommendations, 1, 2, 3, 4, and as of your need. And here you can see some hiding options that you can hide some products from recommending. Click on save, and now all the previous edits are saved. You can create manual bundles, discounts, visual preferences, widget location, and edit all these. And that's it. This is how you can create and customize frequently bought together. This is a massive tool that will help you improve your sales. It always helps you improve the number of purchases that a customer made from your store. So you should definitely try frequently bought together if you are serious on the Shopify. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents. I'll see you in the next video.